How to fix PS4 Error NW-31295-0. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error NW-31295-0. 1. Run an internet connection test on your PS4. To do so, go to Settings Network, locate, then launch the Test Internet Connection option. 2. Reset your local network connection by powering off your modem or router, if any, and you'd better wait 5 minutes before turning your network device back on. 3. Position the PS4 and your Wi-Fi router closer together, and make sure there are no obstructions between the two.